quick video today. I'm changing the turn signal bulb on the passenger side of my 2003 Ford Expedition. I'm gonna take you along with me. So first thing you did, I lifted the tailgate. It exposes two fasteners. And what I'm using here is let's check it out. It's gonna be can you see that? It's a T20. So take the T20, I've already removed the top fastener. Let's remove the bottom one. Let me get this one removed and we'll be right back. So once we have both fasteners removed, we're just gonna now take this assembly. So the turn signal bulb is gonna be this one right here. What you don't wanna do is you don't want this thing to dangle by these wires. That's asking for issues. So what I'm gonna do is support it up here and just take this and twist it out. And here's the bulb here. So more than likely the issue is one of these filaments is bad. So let me go see if I can find another one. Let's swap it out and get this one fixed. Okay, I was able to find a replacement bulb. If you're interested, the number on this guy is going to be so if you're working on your vehicle, that's the number you're going to need. So let's go ahead and get this inserted and get it buttoned back up. So try to do this one-handed here. I'll take this guy. So one thing I did is I took that bulb and popped it back in here. What you see, let's go ahead and twist it back in. So I'm up here now. There you go, that's it. So what you do is you just take it and twist it until it locks. There you go, it's locked in. So now I've got these two inserts. Hopefully you see that top and bottom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and top one is close to being in. I got the bottom one. There we go. Now it's in. Shouldn't have to force it. Now let's take these fasteners and put them back. Bottom one. The top one. Don't want to over tighten. Once you make contact, just a little bit more. There's no need to kill these things and strip out stuff and break plastic. So it stopped. Just a little bit more. Boom. That's it. Go down here, check it. That's it. That's all we need. So let's go back in, start up the vehicle, and let's test it out. So there we have it. I'm gonna call that one a fix. We just swapped out a bulb on the 2003 Ford Expedition. Hope this video helped you out. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.